Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking a quick backup. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once you have admin rights, make sure dependent services like the database and file system are running, otherwise indexing will fail. Next, open the control panel or the config file where indexing is managed. You will now enable the index service flag or run the CLI enable command. This first action begins rehydrating the index and signals the system to prepare resources. Once done, configure the indexing scope so you only index what matters. This saves time and I/O. Make sure you set correct permissions because improper ACLs stop files from being indexed. Then adjust performance parameters, CPU and memory limits, and any throttling or scheduling windows so the rebuild won't overwhelm production. Start a partial rebuild first. Watch logs and progress. If partial succeeds, proceed to a full rebuild to ensure all content is included and searchable again. You finish by validating that search results appear and relevancy behaves as expected. Test queries and sample documents. Once satisfied, enable incremental or real-time indexing so new content is picked up automatically. Monitor resource usage and query latency for the next 24-48 hours to catch regressions. If things go wrong, check indexer logs first, then permissions and dependent services, sometimes deleting a corrupted shard and reindexing. That shard fixes persistent failures. That single troubleshooting step often restores healthy indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.